Hey, Facebook enthusiasts. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I will walk you through the process of changing your email address on Facebook. Whether you've got a new email or just want to update an existing one, it's a breeze. Let's start. First thing, open your Facebook app. View your Facebook homepage. Look for the down arrow at the top right of the Facebook page. Click on it to open a drop-down menu and then select Settings and Privacy. From there, select Settings. Then you will see an option named Profile below. Click on it. Now you will see Contact Info. Click Edit next to it. Then click on Manage Contact Info. Now click on Add New Contact below. Then click on Add Email option. Now you add your email. Click Next when added. Facebook may ask you to confirm the email change by sending a confirmation code to your new email address. Check your new email. Enter the code. And click Continue to finalize the change. Now see your email added. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Facebook tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.